Wow. White.
This is dick, but you know, whatever.
You won't handcuff your hands to her vagina.
What?
Do it.
Sean, no.
I got a fist.
Sean does this anyway. Sean does this all the time, bro.
What is he doing?
Just fucking pulling out his dick and walking through the room.
What the fuck, Sean?
He does that all the fucking time.
Sean, what the fuck?
You guys always talk about dicks and showing pictures.
He's just trying to get a little. He's just trying to get a little bigger for
When did you get these? I'm pretty sure they were on my head.
Way to touch my bunny ear.
I'm pretty sure they were on my head. Can you put them on my head, please?
She's fucking passed out.
Thank you.
No problem.
Everybody,
You did that wrong.
attention. Is this?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Alright.
Voice like, oh no.
Really? She's not what you
Admitting his. I like Amber a lot.
What's her name?
Who's Amanda?
What's her name?
Amber's getting all fucking